What happened? Smoke bomb. You could probably shoot if you wanted. They're right there. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Fuck. Did he see your claymore?
I don't think so.
You gotta heal up.
Yep.
You can chase chainsaw guy behind you. You can't block it. You cannot block it.
Yeah, I don't know what like. There's fucking nothing to do.
You just gotta run.
Someone else just
I
got cut
don't
into
even.
little pieces with a
I don't even know what to do against Chainsaw.
I don't know.
Damn it!
How did they were shooting at each other? I don't know how they didn't fight each other.
I don't know. Oh, he had a man tracker too.
I think he took
Damn it.
yours. Fucking chainsaw.
Broken.
I want to see if he wins this with just
Yeah.
chainsaw. Shooting at them. Is that half? The other dude's... This dude's got pretty good health. And he's getting armor.
I should have made armor. I don't know how to make armor.
Alright. Let's see if... Ulti sees him. Chainsaw guy's running in! Ah, he's getting the kill! Oh, shit! Dude's swinging back.
someone. What's
No, dude, not even close.
Dude, he didn't take any damage. What?
chainsaw
That needs to
away.
drain your stamina way fucking faster. That is horseshit.
He might
You should cost
he might
stamina
have
to
something.
it
He might have something that gives him more stamina. Damn. He's gonna win. He's gonna win the 1v1 with a chainsaw, like, fuck.
out. Chainsaw's fucking broken.
This dude's got shit and he's bleeding out. He's already even in health. What the fuck? Oh, dude, GG. This dude's getting
Yeah.
hit by all the arrows and he can't do shit. Alright, he gets to sit there for like 3 minutes. And dude busted out the chainsaw.
He snared the
yeah.
shit out of the middle though.
GG. G fucking G. Oh, he's snared!
Oh,
he's
he's
snared! Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
Shit! How did he do that?
I thought Carlos was snared. I thought those were fucking Lemon's fucking snares. Oh my god.
Dude, Carlos is a god!
What a god!
Holy shit!